Okay, the Moxy Stratford, room 212, which is a standard queen room, I think. Compact, I would say. I'll start you in the bathroom. I mean, they've thought of some things. There's a plug just outside there, which I think is presumably if you're for the hairdryer. And then in here we've got, it's very small. It reminds us of a cruise cabin. So yeah, it's a toilet, a sink, big mirror, shower, a few products there. So you've got shampoo, conditioner and shower gel. And then there was some hand wash down there. And then this is the beds. The beds, I mean, it doesn't look small, but it felt small last night. It did not. It's no king size, I suppose it's a queen size. Next to the bed here, we've got a couple of USBs, plug, some fancy lights. These, you can't see it at the moment, but when it's dark, they've got like green lights around the glass shelves, which is quite nice. Window, obviously they've tried to make this side rooms have a bit of natural light, which is quite nice, but these curtains were amazing. It was completely pitch black in here last night. Nice big TV, little table here with some more USBs and plugs and lighting. And now this is what you would call the wardrobe. I mean, it's ridiculous. You've got this massive chair here, which is a bit pointless, but there's literally not a drawer in the place. They could have drawers under there. There's space for it. It's not small. I mean, it's not big. But then this is the wardrobe. So there was about 5 hangers. You can see there's like 2 rails, little tiny rails coming out of the wall there, which we hung some stuff on, but then there's nowhere to put your coats and other bits and bobs. So we've just got everything hanging there. So it's useless because you can't see what you got. And obviously your shoes down there, it looks very ugly. Suitcases. You couldn't stay here for any length of time because there is literally no storage. I moan about storage, but there is no storage. But anyway, other than that, it's very comfortable. It's very clean. The place has got a bit of a vibe going on. We've just had breakfast. I'll show you down there after this, which was nice. It's nice. It's very chilled here, and so we got a good night's sleep, and that's the main thing. And for London, the rates were pretty good.